Have you ever faced a choice so overwhelming that it left you feeling stuck? Making difficult decisions can be one of life's greatest challenges. But what if you could approach these moments with clarity, calmness, and wisdom? In this video, we'll explore how Buddhist teachings can guide you to make decisions with confidence and peace of mind. Let's dive in. 1. The nature of difficult decisions. Life is full of choices, some simple and others deeply complex. Buddhism teaches us that this struggle is part of the human experience. Difficult decisions often arise from our attachment to specific outcomes or fear of making the wrong choice. However, the principle of impermanence, or anicca, reminds us that no situation or outcome is permanent. Understanding this can ease the pressure and allow us to approach decisions with greater equanimity. The Buddha once said, "Nothing is permanent. Everything is subject to change. Being is always becoming." When faced with tough choices, remember this: no matter the outcome, it will evolve over time, bringing new opportunities and lessons. Let this wisdom inspire you to take the first step without fear. 2. Cultivating mindfulness before deciding. Before making a decision, it's crucial to calm the mind. Mindfulness, or sati, is the practice of being fully present and aware of your thoughts and emotions. Take a few moments to sit quietly and meditate. Focus on your breath, letting go of distractions. As your mind settles, clarity and insight will naturally arise. A disciple once asked the Buddha how to deal with confusion. In response, the Buddha handed him a bowl of water and instructed him to let it sit undisturbed. Slowly, the sediment settled and the water became clear. In the same way, the Buddha explained, your mind will find clarity when you allow it to settle. Use this practice to calm your inner chaos before making a decision. 3. Aligning decisions with core values. Buddhist teachings emphasize aligning your actions with ethical principles and compassion. Ask yourself, does this decision align with kindness and non-harm, ahimsa? Will it contribute to your growth and the well-being of others? When you anchor your decisions in these values, you create a foundation of peace and integrity. To make this practical, write down your core values. Consider them your compass, guiding you when the path is unclear. If your decision aligns with these principles, it will likely bring you and others long-term peace. 4. The role of non-attachment. One of the core teachings of Buddhism is non-attachment, or upekkha. This doesn't mean indifference, but rather releasing the need for a perfect outcome. By focusing on the intention behind your decision rather than the result, you can let go of fear and embrace the process with greater freedom. A story illustrates this well. A monk crossing a river saw a drowning man. Without hesitation, the monk saved him. When asked later if he had feared being pulled under, the monk replied, "I focused on saving him, not on the outcome." Like the monk, focus on your effort and let go of attachment to the result. It will free your mind. 5. Using the Four Noble Truths as a guide. The Four Noble Truths can serve as a powerful framework for decision-making. Ask yourself, will this choice reduce suffering, dukkha, for yourself and others? Is it aligned with the middle way, a balanced approach that avoids extremes? Reflecting on these truths ensures that your decision resonates with harmony and wisdom. The Buddha taught, overcome the angry by non-anger, overcome the wicked by goodness, overcome the miser by generosity, overcome the liar by truth. This principle reminds us that wise decisions often come from a place of kindness and balance. 6. Seeking wisdom through meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for gaining insight. Practice loving kindness, metta, or insight, vipassana. Meditation to quiet your mind and explore your emotions. Visualize each potential outcome and notice how it feels. This practice can help you connect with your deeper wisdom and guide you toward the right choice. As you meditate, imagine your future self looking back at this moment. What advice would they give you? This simple visualization often reveals surprising clarity, helping you take the path that aligns with your higher self. 7. Trusting intuition and letting go of fear. While rational analysis is important, intuition plays a vital role in decision-making. Fear often clouds our judgment, making choices feel more daunting than they are. Mindfulness helps you recognize and release fear, allowing your intuition to shine through. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. The Buddha advised, by staying present, you create the space for intuition to guide you. Trust your inner voice. It often knows what logic alone cannot uncover. 8. Accepting uncertainty. No decision comes with absolute certainty. Buddhism teaches us to embrace the impermanence and unpredictability of life. Rather than being paralyzed by what if, focus on the journey. Each choice is a step forward, whether it leads to success, failure, or invaluable lessons. The only certainty is change, and that's okay. A Zen story illustrates this beautifully. A farmer's horse ran away, and his neighbors exclaimed, "What bad luck!" The farmer replied, "Maybe." The next day, the horse returned with wild companions. "What good luck," they said. Again, he replied, "Maybe." This story reminds us that outcomes are never final. Life is a flowing river of possibilities. Making a difficult decision is never easy, but by applying these Buddhist principles, you can approach choices with greater clarity and peace. Take time to calm your mind, align your actions with compassion, and trust the process of life. As the Buddha taught, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. If this video resonated with you, remember that wisdom grows when shared. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insights inspired by Buddhist teachings. Let's continue walking the path of mindfulness and wisdom together. Thank you for watching, and may you find peace on your journey.